morning, it's 5 AM. I'm talking really quiet, so I'm sorry because all the kids are still in bed. I might not look like I'm in a very good mood, but trust me I am, because we're off for another track day today. We're going to Cadwell Park. So, better drink this coffee and get cracking.
Okay, off to Cadwell Park we go. I'm gonna be honest, I'm fairly nervous. It's like I say, it's only my second track day. You all know that by now. I've been away from biking for a while. Cadwell Park is famous for many reasons. I think it's fair to say it's quite a formidable racetrack. There's some pretty narrow sections with no runoff, and obviously everybody knows about the mountain.
And the lights are out, you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost.
I've shown you a quick clip of the mountain now, I think. So again, it's just been another track day. We're in the lower group, so we're just going to take our time, have some fun, get back up to speed and just enjoy it really. No pressure in the lower group, no need to get into any tussles with anyone or try and go faster than we need to do. It's all about having fun today, so we've got probably about an hour to get there, I think, just over, certainly in this traffic, so I'll catch you when we get there. Well, made it to Cadwell Park, and it looks like we're actually going to get decent weather. Bikes here. Been past, you have to go through noise testing here. I think it's 105 decibel limit today, so that's been passed fine. So I'm just going to acclimatise myself for everything. There's no pits or no garage here, we're all in the car park, but like I say, thankfully the weather's going to be alright, so we're all good. But I'll take you for a look around and show you what I can see. There's a real good view of the mountain from the viewing area, so I should be able to get some really good shots from there today, so we're all here anyway. So this is where the noise testing bay is. Everybody's getting tested here to make sure that their bikes aren't too loud. Those marshals like stick a decibel meter on your exhaust and check that you're not getting any crazy loud exhausts. So this is oh, we've got a cup of tea again. Always get a cup of tea. So this here is the viewing area, and that there is the mountain section, and it goes into Hall Bends there, and then over the back of the circuit you can see the home straight there. So there's quite a decent viewing section at Cadwell, different to Donington. You can see the track. It's like you're in the middle of a forest out in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty cool.
Are out, you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life feels lemons, just call on me. Just call on me. Just call on me.
So I'm just chilling now, waiting for the session to start. Do you know what? Because I've ridden here on my bike, most people come here on vans, and you know, they'll have like semi-race teams or whatever. Then people have got tents up, and look, you can see they'll bring trailers and all sorts. Not that many people nowadays compared to what it used to be. Just bring their own bike and ride it around like I'm doing. And that's what I was saying. I was thinking about getting a van and maybe even a race bike, because I'm clearly going to do this more often. But the amount of people that have been up and just sort of offering help, like, oh, I'll leave your stuff here, do you need this, do you need that? It's just such a nice group of people. They're all a bit rough and ready, and you know, but it's kind of cool. Everybody's so nice to you. I think what I'm going to do this time, different to Donington. Whereas Donington, I sort of filmed every session, tried to commentate every session, and it was a bit much, to be fair. I mean, I ended up with about 5-6 different videos, which I don't want to bore everybody else with, but to be honest with you, it gets a bit intense having to get off the bike, set all the cameras up, sort everything out, and just filming every single session. So I think what I'm probably just going to do is do a morning and afternoon highlights. So I'll still film all the sessions on the GoPro to capture anything. But I'm probably just going to cobble it together into a couple of videos, into a morning and afternoon. And I'm not putting myself under as much pressure, and I can enjoy the actual day and the experience a bit more. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for the first session now. So I'll check in probably at lunchtime next, and just give you a highlight of how it's gone. Okay. Two warm-up laps now. Remember, there's some slower guys today, even slower than me. Braking really early, that guy. Okay. Alright, nice and steady now. Rhythm, get a rhythm in. Braking. Those two guys next to me, much quicker than me. That's pretty slow. I'm not going to do him in a hairpin. Maybe the next one. Oh, I'll take a bit there on him. Another session done, all safe and sound. This is a good track when you get used to it. When you start to get into it, I feel a lot better this session because the group that I'm in seems to be of a similar speed to me. There's people coming past me, but I'm going past others, and it just feels less intimidating because there's more people on my same level. Just what I'm trying to say. I'm rambling. But yeah, awesome. Getting better now. Loving it. So that's two full sessions done. Another crash. Hope they're all right. But wow, there's some really nice bikes here. Yeah, so morning session so far, all going great guns. Okay, session number 3. Again, nice and steady. This is a funny old corner, this one.
Yeah, that was a bad one, man. That was a fast crash that guy had. He's the guy who's next to me. I hope that dude's alright, man. That was a fast one. Fuck. He came past me faster and he's telling me he's a novice, and I was like, alright, dude. Wow. I was scared on that. Really hope he's okay.
So we just stopped for lunch. There's been a pretty bad crash in my group. Guys who's just over there next to me I've been talking to from Wakefield. A couple of really nice guys actually. One of them came past me pretty quick and he was going going well, but then as we got around the fast corners around at the top, at the end of the back straight, like as I approached him, I just saw this like cloud of dirt and dust flying up in the air, and he'd just fallen off, and you probably see on the camera he was laid still. He's in the medical centre at the moment. I'm not sure if he's alright or not, but put it this way, he would have been creeping up to 100 miles an hour there on the side of the tyre when he came off. So I hope he's alright. But look, on a positive note, not to get too down in the dumps, I've had a good third session, good morning actually. So morning recap was, first session was just weird, it was hard, like the track, I never did like Cadwell when I used to come before. I was always a bit of a Donington boy out of the two that we used to go to. I like Alton actually, but actually as the second and third sessions have gone on, I've got more comfortable, I got my knee down in there, at the hairpin up there, feeling better. It's just I'm learning to be smoother, and I think as I've got older I've learned to relax a bit more and just ride a bit smoother, and as that clicked in and I started to chill out in the third session, it felt a lot better. So I'm really enjoying it actually. I hope the guy next to me is okay, but yeah, I'm sure he'll be fine. He's in the medical centre. I'll update everybody later, but yeah, again, it's an amazing laugh. I just love it here. Everybody's so nice as well. It's like, I'm quite an antisocial person, believe it or not, and you know, my wife will tell you I hate going out in public and talking to other people, but for some reason, like when you hear everybody's so nice and just wants to help you and offering to look after your stuff, and do you need this and do you need that, and it's just, the bikers are just nicest bunch of people honestly on the planet as far as I'm concerned. I just feel like I fit in here. Yeah, yeah, I'll not get too deep and meaningful, but yeah, I just feel like I fit in here. It's just my kind of people. Good morning session, really enjoying it. I'll put a video out of this morning session, and then I'll make part 2 of the afternoon session. I'm not going to put loads of episodes out like before. I'm just going to give some highlights and do a morning and afternoon session, I think. So yeah, I'm going to have some lunch now, and I'll catch you in the afternoon session. Cheers, take care.
I'm seeing shimmering